moving out? Well, you're probably thinking where to begin. If you're searching for a move-out cleaning service because you need to clean your place before moving, then look no further since we provide professional move-out cleaning services. Packing and unpacking is already very time-consuming and stressful. Leave the cleaning to us. Our professional team is here to help you. We provide move-out cleaning services and use environment-friendly products. We come to you and have your place looking great in no time. Our customers love and trust us because we provide the best move-out cleaning possible at a price that can't be beat. We believe in setting a high level of customer satisfaction through maintaining our strict standards for quality move-out cleaning services. So, what makes our clients love us even more? The first thing that makes us worthy of our clients' trust is the quality of our work. Our services are affordable. We also make sure that our clients get what they need within their budget. Our team at Essential Move-Out Cleaning are professional cleaners who have been trained to offer a top quality service. We are dedicated to providing a first-class professional service at a competitive price. We can provide you with a custom quote on your move-out cleaning options. When our team takes care of your move-out cleaning needs, you can use the time you saved for what matters more. Book your move-out cleaning now. Call 206-735-3750 or visit our website at www.essentialmoveoutcleaning.com.